Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you ever feel frustrated when playing mini games in Hamster Combat and just when you're about to win, the time runs out and you can't complete the task? Well, today I've got some tips to help you out. Let's dive right in. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. As you can see, when you enter Hamster Combat, you'll find the mini games section. Now, these games start at exactly 1:30 p.m. You need to be quick and strategic to get those keys and complete the tasks. Let's go through this step by step. First, lower the volume a bit for better focus. Now, play in one click and let's begin. First, I'll show you how to complete the first task. Here in Hamster Combat, you'll see the mini games. They start at 1:30 p.m. sharp. So let's get started. Now, here's a pro tip. If you have two Telegram accounts, you can use one to check the game status first. For instance, see how I move the market candles and gate key. I once lost by just 1 second. But here's how you can do it better. As you can see, I've moved the piece up for 30 seconds. This one goes here and this one goes down. I had to move the key forward, then the red piece down and the green one forward. The key is behind, so I moved these two up again and then quickly moved the key forward. Now I'll do it a bit faster because time is crucial. With just 4 seconds left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bam. Puzzle solved. You see that your rewards claim message, but just as I was claiming, the time ran out. Just 1 second or even half a second can make all the difference. So, what do you do now? Unfortunately, there's nothing to do but wait for the next opportunity. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I have two accounts, so I can test the strategies first and then show you the best way to win. Check my videos at 1:30 a.m. for the latest tips and tricks. If you missed that, you can always watch in the morning. I remember if you follow my videos, you'll get the first chance to succeed. I'll clear everything up for you. Check out my daily reward tips at 12:30 a.m., the daily cipher at 5:30 p.m., and of course the 1:30 a.m. mini game strategy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I don't usually make videos like this, but I'm here to help you out. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.